Negativity can weigh down our hearts and minds, but gratitude has the power to transform our perspective. When we choose to focus on God's goodness, our joy is renewed, our burdens feel lighter, and we experience His peace. These biblical affirmations will help you shift your mindset from negativity to gratitude. As you listen, allow these truths to fill your heart, renew your spirit, and strengthen your faith. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's declare these faith-filled affirmations together. God's blessings are always present in my life. I choose joy, knowing God is faithful. I focus on the good and trust in God's plan. I reject negativity and embrace God's peace. The Lord fills my heart with joy and thanksgiving. I will not dwell on what I lack, but rejoice in what I have. God is my provider, and I am content. I trust God's timing and give thanks in every season. I release all worry and embrace God's perfect peace. I am grateful for God's love that never fails. I see the beauty in each day and thank God for it. God's mercies are new every morning, and I am grateful. I shift my focus from problems to God's promises. I will bless the Lord at all times, and His praise will always be on my lips. I let go of negativity and fill my heart with thanksgiving. God's light shines through me, bringing joy to those around me. I am surrounded by God's goodness and love. Even in trials, I give thanks, for God is refining me. I choose to see every challenge as an opportunity for growth. God's grace is sufficient for me, and I am thankful. I trust in the Lord with all my heart and do not lean on my understanding. I am grateful for the peace that surpasses all understanding. I speak life and hope into my situation. The joy of the Lord is my strength. I focus on what is good, pure, and praiseworthy. I am thankful for the love and support God has placed in my life. I will not allow negativity to steal my joy. I trust that God is working all things for my good. I rejoice in hope, remain patient in trials, and stay faithful in prayer. I replace complaints with gratitude. I choose to focus on my blessings, not my problems. Joy fills my heart as I give thanks for all I have. I let go of negativity and embrace a grateful spirit. I am surrounded by goodness and favor. I trust that everything in my life is working for my good. My heart is full of thanksgiving today and every day. I focus on the beauty and blessings in my life. I choose joy and peace over stress and worry. Gratitude is my natural response to life. I am thankful for the lessons in every challenge. I release negativity and welcome positivity. My mind is renewed with thoughts of gratitude. Every day I find new reasons to be thankful. I focus on what I have, not what I lack. I am grateful for the simple joys of life. My heart overflows with thanksgiving. I wake up with a grateful heart. I am content with where I am and excited for where I'm going. I choose to speak words of gratitude and encouragement. I welcome each day with a positive and thankful spirit. My thoughts are filled with appreciation and hope. I am grateful for the people in my life. I release past hurts and focus on present blessings. I find peace in giving thanks, no matter the circumstances. My soul is nourished by gratitude. I see challenges as opportunities for growth and wisdom. I give thanks for every step of my journey. I appreciate all the good in my life, both big and small. I choose to see the positive in every situation. I am grateful for the love that surrounds me. My words and actions reflect a heart of gratitude. I welcome joy and abundance into my life. I am thankful for today, and I embrace its opportunities. Gratitude fills my mind my words, and my actions, I shift my focus from problems to the goodness around me. I choose to praise instead of complain. My heart is light because I choose thankfulness. I am grateful for the peace that fills my soul. I replace fear with faith and thanksgiving. I celebrate the victories, big and small. I let go of what I cannot control and trust that all is well. My life is full of countless blessings. I radiate gratitude and joy in all that I do. I am grateful for new beginnings and fresh starts. I focus on progress, not perfection. With a grateful heart, I find joy in the present moment. I am grateful for the strength that carries me through each day. I choose to be a source of positivity and encouragement. I live with an attitude of gratitude today and always. Gratitude is more than a feeling. It's a choice. By choosing to focus on God's goodness, we can replace negativity with thanksgiving, peace, and joy. Keep declaring these affirmations daily and watch how gratitude transforms your heart, mind, and life. May the Lord bless you, fill you with joy, and lead you in peace.